Welcome to Freelance Tech Solutions, the one-stop destination for all your digital requirements. Our dedicated team of experts specializes in a wide range of services, including web development, web design, e-commerce development, mobile app development, content writing, SEO, social media marketing, and much more. Our purpose is to assist our clients in achieving their digital objectives by delivering customized solutions that cater to their specific needs. We recognize the challenges that businesses and individuals face in today's digital era, and we are committed to providing them with the tools and expertise they need to succeed. Our vision for the future is to become the preferred platform for all digital solutions. We strive to stay ahead of the competition by exploring cutting-edge technologies and expanding our range of services. Our goal is to foster long-term partnerships with our clients and offer them the necessary support to achieve their digital objectives. At Freelance Tech Solutions, our dedication to our clients' success is unwavering. Our team of experts works tirelessly to ensure that we provide the best possible solutions to meet our clients' requirements. We are passionate about what we do, and we are committed to delivering exceptional service and support to our clients. So if you're searching for top-quality digital solutions, look no further than Freelance Tech Solutions. Sign up for our newsletter today to stay informed about the latest news and updates, and join the hundreds of satisfied clients who have already put their trust in us for their digital needs. Thank you for considering Freelance Tech Solutions, and we are eager to work with you.